All eyes on this.
Yeah, Lamar. Give it up.
Shut up, y'all. Hold up. Let me get a chair real quick. I know pretty much none of y'all here know who I am, but for some reason a lot of people tell me that I have like a frightening demeanor. I don't know why. I guess some people think I'm a scary dude. I don't really think so. But this is what this is about. If you ever heard me rap, you know that I only speak what I felt, but I like it so much that I start biting off myself. But I like it so much I start biting on myself. I like it so much I start biting off myself, chowing down like a cannibal. I'm spitting acidic antidotes. And they're wishing for an antidote, a cure that could be cured that would surely stop this animal. If you listen to my verses, I know it's playing in your head at night. My sickness is a parasite, voracious is its appetite. I feed it musical tracks and it attracts the mic in front of me. And still, for some reason, these suckers try to front on me, perhaps even run on me, because they have no immunity, and they know that I am soon to be a king. Don't ever challenge me, or else I'll open up the castle doors and release the cavalry. And if you ask me, of course I'll tell you that this is a fantasy. But rest assured that I keep nights all around. Of course, kid, keep your ears open and listen out for the horses.